So once you open up Canva, you're going to go to the top here and then select the search bar, and you're going to type in website. So if you scroll down, you're going to see that there's going to be a huge list of templates in which you can use. There are free ones, and then there are also ones which you need to pay or have the pro version of Canva in order to use. So I'm going to use this one. After clicking on it, select Customize this template. Okay, so now we need to create the call to action button. So you're going to add in a few elements. So go to the left side of the screen, then select Elements. Now next to Shapes, select See All. And I'm going to use this shape here. You're simply going to drag it and drop it here. Then you can also adjust the size to liking. Then if you double click on it, you can enter in your own text. So I'm going to say click here. After highlighting the elements, go to the font size area, click on the number, and then you can increase it from there. And then you can also change the text font. So highlight the text again, then go to the font section, and then choose the fonts that you want to use. I'm going to use the Spartan. Then once you're happy, you're going to select the element. Then you're going to right click and then select link. So where it says enter a link or search, you are going to enter in a URL or a link which is going to take you to another website. So I'm going to use www.google.com and then I'm going to select done. And as you can see here, the text is now underlined. So let's see what happens once I publish this specific website. So go to the top, then select publish website, then go to the bottom and select publish website. Then you have to wait a few seconds for it to finish. Once it is finished, select view website. And as you can see here, we have our call to action button. So let's see what happens if we click on it. It takes us to the Google website. And there you go.